Hey guys, Stream Interact War Veteran here, back with another video. I had to redo this. Um, Hang on a second. I actually need to rename this. But this is basically going to be a deep dive into Windows 11, Windows 11 Pro. The developer version, because this is not even a beta. All right, so we got that. Save, edit. Um, that's all good. Monetization, we're gonna turn that on. Might as well, just in case anybody wants to watch now, I can make something off the video. Alright, since that's all saved, let's bring out the chat real quick. And then I'll be showing you some things. Alright, the first thing that you'll notice about Windows 11, it looks, to me, it looks better. Color-wise, how the icons look, the ones that are different. Not everything's going to change. Obviously, individual programs from those people outside of Windows will not change, okay? Uh, Let me download something real quick. I want to download Firestrike. What is that? 3D Mark? Yeah. 3D Mark. 3D Mark. Oh, okay. That's the first thing I want to do. Oh, 11 hours? I didn't think it was that big. All right. 7 gigs. Um, that'll be a separate video, I guess, since that's not installed right now. Um, so we're not going to go over that, obviously. But as you can see, when you first get into Windows, you'll have some similar look of this. I've done a little things here and there. And I've looked things up. I like a lot of things about the Windows 11 experience so far, even the developer part here. Um, oh, well, that changes. That I did not know. So you get to see that firsthand. This is one of the themes that you can download from Windows that's free. I kind of like it, and it's neat that it changes. At night, it goes to that, which I thought is cool that we just saw it together for the first time. Um, you'll notice Windows will be different now. Let's see. Let's look up something. Let's open this up. This is a big Traxxas catalog, so if you ever notice, yeah, that's fine. If you ever go to a hobby store or whatever, this is how it looks like. Looks like, huh, this might be slightly out of whack on the left. Yeah, it is. Okay, so it's not quite fitting my TV properly. You guys can probably see it, but I can't. Let's see here. I don't know. I'd have to make it bigger, and I don't think I can on this screen. Yeah, I can a little bit. Yeah. What you're seeing is you can see the mouse hit the edge, and you can still see. Oh, where does the line disappear? Looks like more of the line disappears on this one. Let me see if I can do something with that real quick. Basically, let's go to display settings. But you can see how that corners around it. I do like that. I want to see if there's like a safe zone. I guess there isn't. But things are different. You gotta figure it out. Change the scale a little bit and then I lost all my icons, didn't I? Yes, I did. Look at that. Interesting. Where did my icons go? Okay, that might be half the issue. Okay. What the hell did I just do? We totally switched windows. Play system. 100% recommended. And then it goes back to this one. Okay, straight up weird. That's something funky. This is already set up as the main one, which is this thing here. So I don't know why it switched when I made this one less. Okay, yeah, well, still cutting off a little bit of my thing, but maybe it's because I'm using a. Let me. This way. And it's cutting off a lot to the right, too. Huh. Interesting. Two. Display, refresh rate. They're both on 8-bit right now, which this one's only on 8-bit because of the Elgato card. I'm not fully understanding everything yet. I just got this today because I wanted to try it. I was tired of waiting on the other one. But if I go to About, by the way, you can see that I am on Windows 11 Pro 21H2, which the funny thing is Windows 10 has a 21H2 also, but the OS build number is different. It's kind of funny. Uh, Now, so you can see that this is a legitimate version. You can see that mine is activated, and it's doing it again. Right now, it's doing it. Something in the background. This happened before. This will settle down and start acting correctly, but I have not figured out 100% what's causing that. So, oh, there was a brief second there that something was up. And it's still doing it, but I'm not sure what's causing the issue. Because last time I listened to this was still going at the right rate. Something was lagging. But the audio still isn't lagging or anything like that. As you can see, this is going perfectly fine, but the mic bar isn't right now. And I'm only using 23% of my 32 gigs and only 8% of my i9 9900K. Might be this, I don't know. That's still not using a ton. OBS, that's always about 24%. I only have a 1080. But something ends up making it to this laggy. I haven't figured that problem out yet. Unless this just isn't fully compatible with Windows 11 yet, which is a very good possibility. But it will eventually start going back to the way it should. And then if I go to performance, see these dips, I don't know what that is. But something, unless that's from the first time logging into it, nothing's really out of the normal. Nothing that's killing the CPU or memory by a drastic amount. I don't see no huge spikes and haven't. I don't know. I just don't know with that yet, and it's done that a few times. Let's see, is it still doing it? Yeah, it's still doing it. Well, they'll figure it out eventually, but this is a developer version, so it should be expected. Stuff is not going to run perfect on a developer version. This is even earlier than a beta version, okay? Um, what else? You can, if you want, you can take this taskbar and move it to the left like it was normally. If you do want to end up doing that, you click anywheres away from these things, and you right click, go to taskbar settings, taskbar behaviors, and then taskbar alignment. You can align it to the left if you want. This just makes it a quick snap to do wherever. Like if I want, blam, it's down there. See what I'm saying? So that's an easy way to do that. I like the animations. Kind of neat. They might end up toning some of that down. But, you know, you can put this over here, and then it's more like a normal Windows thing. But as you'll see here that this is all you're getting. I don't have anything pinned right now, which is fine. I'll pin what I want to later. But if you want to get back to a more... Ooh, there's a problem. Not quite. Look at that. That's not quite centered. Look at that. Something used. Oh, most used. That's probably what that is. But that's not coming up quite right. But this will bring up, when you go to all apps, it'll bring up everything so you can sit there and look at whatever you feel like looking at. Uh, is the game bar any different? Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it. No, it doesn't look like it's any different to me. I don't use that my phone thing. Alright. But for me personally, I'm going to leave it in the center because I kind of like how it brings it up and in the middle, right in your face, like right where you're already looking, instead of having to look to the left if you use a bigger screen. So me personally, I like this right where it is. I have tried this with games. It works perfectly fine. I think it makes tanks work a little bit better. I've tried it with Rust. I've tried it with Minecraft. I don't think there's any updates that need to be done right now. But the update thing is different now. I mean, things aren't too hard to find if you just look. And turn off some of these things. Gaming is kind of cool because this game mode, cause it allows like to turn off background apps when you're gaming to make your system more stable and you get more frames per second, which I think is cool. I'm not going to go into accounts. I don't know if that'll have anything that I don't want people to look at. But under personalization, you can get some themes that are already set here, or this one. Or if you want, you can go themes here. And then if you want to find more themes, you can even change desktop icons. Oh, okay. Computer, yeah, the same ones that I've normally had from before. That's where you do that. It's more out and about, not hidden, more like it was. But you can come in here, you can download any of these premium themes right now that you want. I used the Ninja Cat or whatever the hell it is, anyways. But they got a lot of themes, which I like. That's nice. Some of these are just, we'll see if they stay free or if people start charging an arm and a leg for shit. Circuit overload, that kind of looks cool. Car there, you got a city background, which is nice. I just wanted to see if there was anything else I'd want to use real quick. But so far, this has been pretty good. Hey, baby. You want to come over here on my lap? I know you do. But I'm kind of busy, kitty. Um, Some of these are pretty nice. Some are okay. It depends on what you like and what you're looking for. But they got a lot, so that's a plus. If you're big on tigers, you can do something like that. Um, Actually, I do like tigers. Yeah, let's see what it looks like. We're gonna download it. But this is you go in here when you have your Microsoft account. It's free. Just go in here. It'll download. It's got to check first, then it will start download. Which are not too big. They don't take that much time. Once it actually gets to realizing if it's good or not. You see, this does different things, I guess. So that's cool. Some animals. I like the tiger one the best. See, it checks it to make sure there's no malicious stuff built into it. So that's why it looks like it's taking a little bit longer than normal. And it's still, that microphone thing hasn't gone back to normal yet. Ready, it says. I think that's funny. Oh, another thing that I can't show you that, oh, well, this one's 14 megabytes, so it's a little bigger. Something that's been happening to me every single time like, that I've been coming into Windows, I'll notice this Windows security. If you come in here, this will be deactivated every single time that I come in right now. So that's something that they need to work on. You just click on it and activate. Some of the slowness also might be due to I've had power outages and stuff around me. But as that's downloading, check out some more of the settings. My ear itches. Okay. You can go into here to get the settings, but it wasn't here originally. That was also under might have been under taskbar settings if you click outside the thing. Yeah, this is a lot of stuff. Corner overflow, taskbar behaviors. There's a way to get that, and I forgot how to do it already. Son of a gun. So far, I'm actually liking this. Um, oh, big one. Okay, yeah. The TPM settings is a big one. That's slow as dog crap right now. Um, I remember where that is. It's under settings, which for me now I have it over here. And that is going to be under privacy and security. And then one of these. Ugh. Oh no, it's under Windows Update. Sorry. It's going to tell me somewhere's in here. Yeah, that doesn't show up at all for some reason. So it's not that, obviously. Oh, man. Maybe Windows Security. But there's a thing in here somewhere that tells me that I don't have all of the protection stuff. Yeah, here we go. Windows security, device security. Okay, so to get to that, all you need to do is go to your settings. Once you put that down there, I forgot how to do it, but that's fine. Uh, Privacy security, and then Windows security, device security, and then as you hear, let's talk about this for a quick second. This is what you'll see is if you use the onboard or software TPM. Um, I found that there's a major difference with the two TPMs. One's a D something, and the other one's maybe a PTT or whatever the hell it is under your BIOS. If you have it on your BIOS, and the P whatever the other one is besides the D, anyways, is um, what's built into either the motherboard or CPU, whatever it is. I think it's the motherboard. But that one's just basically a software TPM, and the other one, the D something, stands for dedicated, which means one that you plug into a slot on your board. I have that slot. If I can get one cheap enough next month, I will get one. But I'm not paying 10 times the amount because of scalping scumbag retards that all need to die on the internet that want to take advantage of every little fucking thing on the planet because they're pathetic pieces of shit. But anyways, enough of that. Um, you'll have more options here for like CPU protection, core protection, and a whole bunch of other stuff that will be here if you use a dedicated card. I don't have one. I'm just using what's on my device itself. So I don't get any of this standard hardware security stuff. um, so far this is running good. It's still running weird over there, but I know it's streaming fine. That gaming thing is cool. Game mode, I think, is a good idea. I haven't found too much else that's different. I mean, it's basically just graphically different with some added stuff. This isn't drastically different. It's not gonna be too hard to figure out stuff if you have any kind of common sense or any kind of ability to search things. It's not that damn difficult. It's really not. Everything's pretty much damn self-explanatory, really. Uh, Power mode is your normal stuff, you know. If you want to sleep or whatever, I turn that off because I don't care. I don't ever want it to sleep. There's no more power mode like the other stuff available. You just put never sleep. I don't know why this doesn't come up. Okay, what if I go 10 minutes? See, out power mode. I think it's, damn. Alright, there it goes. That's stupid. I don't know how to change the power mode right now. But there should be a way to change the other modes, and I can't change that. Why? Maybe if I go to the control panel? See, the control panel's still like it used to be. You can change the view from whatever you want. It'll be under category, so this is what you'll normally see. Or you can go to small or large icons, whatever the hell you want. See if I can still find a back way into that power. See power options. See, okay. Ultimate power is on there now. High performance and power ultimate. Let's go to balanced. We're gonna go to balanced. Leave it there. Now I want to go back into power on this. Okay, now power mode has the best. Okay, this is what it will normally look like if you don't have the other thing. Best performance. Now you got more stuff that has popped up. So if you change certain things, more crap's gonna come up here that they don't want you to do. It's kind of dumb. I mean, yeah, it'll be all under here, but if you, like I said, if you have any kind of background in just finding stuff, it's not that difficult. Once you do that, go back up to the power options. Yeah, it is lagging right now. See what this is. Never, never. See if any of these advanced power things have changed or if they've added anything. Nope, this is all the same stuff. So this is literally fundamentally Windows 10 with just added visuals and some extras, more security features. That's really all this is. So honestly, I could say this is probably it went back to normal, didn't it? No, not yet. Um, Minimum power state or processor state, I mean, and maximum 100 and 100. I'm wondering if I should put. Well, nah, we'll leave it. Oh yeah, I want to see if I'm actually running at 5 gigahertz. Um, they do got new sounds, obviously, so there might be new sounds too. See if it's. Oh wow, I gotta change something. Overclocking might be an issue with Windows 11 because I should be at 5 gigahertz constantly over here, and it's not doing that. And I don't mean their power plan crap. I mean I went into the BIOS and put everything the core thing to 5 gigahertz. So it should be saying this. Not, oh god, that low? 1600? Ooh. Something's a little iffy. That's jumping around a lot for no reason. I've seen as low as 1600 and as high as 5001. Wow. And someone say unstable? Yeah, that's what I get for downloading the beta. Well, Delta. Or whatever the next higher is. So obviously, clearly, oh, now it's back to normal for that bar. Watch, I'll bring it over again. See, now it's more normal and it's going up and down like it should, but this is still like the voltages are everything's jumping around a lot. I don't know why. Back in the control panel. So you can still do the old things like I've been doing since Windows 7, by the way. You just use a control panel. And go to ultimate power. I want to see if that does anything to the core state. Oh wow, it does. Maybe. Oh wow. Holy shit. Hmm. Windows has more influence now on how your CPU runs. Holy shit, guys. Because if I go back to balanced, as you can see, it's just how it normally roughly would be. When I have it overclocked to 5 gigahertz, it normally stays basically at 5 gigahertz. But if I go back to balanced, holy shit. Wow. And I'm getting some cores like core 2 all the way up to 23% and higher. Look at all those weird numbers using a balanced plan from Windows that's not utilized right now. I mean, look at them all bouncing around. What if I go to Power Saver? Wow. I did not realize there might have been people out there that realized this was more of a normal thing. Holy shit. I did not realize that this power plan affects your CPU in this kind of way. I really did not realize that. Basically, if you want the most out of your CPU and the best performance, you have to use Ultimate. Wow. Oh, you've seen it here. That is simply weird. And now, since I switched to power plan, the mic thing is acting funny again. Wow. But that was so low. Not even a gigahertz. 800 megahertz is the lowest it can go. That's fucking nuts. Wow, man. I did not realize how much this power plan stuff affects your CPU when you're overclock. Sorry about the crunchy noise. Save space in my can. Whee! That was a bad shot. Well, so definitely keep it on ultimate performance. Let's see if high has a difference. Because if you used balanced like normal, and then if you really didn't understand this, okay? So that's the old way of getting to it. Now if we go to the new way, test something here. No, system. Power. Wait a minute. Hang on. Hang on here. It's giving me some weird things. Something I wasn't supposed to stumble across. Now that other thing's gone. What the fuck? The mode's not available here now again. Wow, this shit, they change things on the fly. Like how the system does stuff. Oops, that's not what I wanted. there it is. The fuck? So power mode can't be used while set to high performance. Balanced. But now it's there, and it wasn't there a few seconds ago under balanced. Alright. Now, the next thing I want to check out is I need to see if just using this, close this, I can find that later. If just using this affects my overclock. As you see right now, balanced, it's jumping around. Best power efficiency. Still jumps around. But not nearly as much. Best performance. Wow, okay. So this settings here does not affect CPU as much as going in through the control panel. Oh, dumbass. You can still see it says it there. But if I go now into where the hell's ultimate right here. Like if I go to power saver here, it really clocks down my CPU. It dumbs it down somehow. And will go up when it needs to, obviously, but nuts. Oh, I need to be on that for the best part of my just maintaining my 5 gigahertz. Wow. Sorry I spent so much time on that. It's just interesting. And it looks like I got the new CPU enabled. Oh no, that's another picture from that cat one that I have. Windows. Still downloading? Seriously? Stop. 10 kilobytes. Oh, we can see that that's running like crap. Um, Interesting. What else can I say? So that's something new that I just found. This is like your normal Windows tab or whatever it was thingy. Um, Calculator. Not really different. I can show you something though. Something else here. Go back in this, well, settings, which is under here for me now. Get off of that. Personalize. That's not it. Color. Maybe it's under color or. Ah, man. My itchy ear. Contrast themes? Oh, okay. Desktop icons. There was a settings here. That's just a general Windows store. Um, Display settings. It's supported, but Elgato's plugged in right now, so it won't. I can't remember where it is. There's a way to turn this arrow on and off. Personalize. Let's try maybe. Oh, color. Transparency effect. As you can see the transparency effect here. See the background behind it because there's the sun thingy. If you turn this off, takes a little bit, by the way. But now there is no transparency effect. I don't know if that's half the reason. Let's see. Okay, my mic thing is working like normal. We're going to bring this over here and see if that's what's affecting it. The arrow display, we can keep an eye on this right here. Let's see what happens when you turn on transparency effect. It's not doing it yet. How about now? No? It did make it lag for a second, but it's... I don't know how, but it's catching up with itself easier now. Hmm. Still running alright. But it is slow to switch to the transition effect, though. Wow. Screen rotates. My screen on this other side, right of all this stuff this way, has a different background than this one does with that theme, which is kind of cool. You can do a dark mode. You can change your accent color. See what it goes to with automatic. Another one that really slows. Seems to be fine. Go back to personalization. Fonts, huh? You can change the fonts of Windows, and you can add fonts by dragging them there. I don't know which one's being used currently. Clear type. Huh. Next. No, I don't want to tune all my monitors right now because the font looks clear enough to me. Okay, what else? What else? What else? Text size, download fonts for all languages now. Personalization. Device usage. So, select all the ways you plan on using the device, customize. We're going to do gaming. Entertainment, I guess. Got privacy. Sources, so you can click on whatever those things are. Privacy dashboard. That's something for Windows over there. Something that brings up in Windows. Oh, yeah, by the way, um, there is stuff. If you do a beta or a delta version of this has to fucking stay on. This is a big one that I hate. Privacy and security diagnostic and feedback. This has to stay on. Because if I try to turn this off, which I'll read it here first, send optional diagnostic data, which means help help Microsoft improve Windows experience and fix problems more quickly by sending us additional diagnostic data. This includes data about websites you browse, how you use apps and features, and enhanced error reporting. Your device will be equally secure and will operate normally even if you choose not to send optional data. But right now, since I'm in a beta or delta, see if I turn this off. With this setting turned off, you won't get Windows Insider builds. To keep getting them, turn on this setting. Or leave the program, which I can't do. Well, I can do, but I don't want to. You can have all the other ones off, the extra shit. You can delete things from there if you feel like it. If you do it a lot, maybe they can't get nothing. I don't know. That sucks that you can't turn that off when you're part of the dev program. I mean, of course, if they give you something, you got to give something in return. So I understand it. I mean, I'm not doing anything since I have this anyway. Is anything illegal really? So excuse me. Disability. Green. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. This I just stumbled across, and I like that green. You can really see it. I like it better than a white. Like if you want to add a custom color, we'll go with a red. Oh, yeah, if you like red. Ha! That is cool, but so far this green is like my best. I like that right now. That is cool as hell. Custom colors for the mouses. I like that. I'm gonna leave it on the green. Oh, you can increase your mouse size. Da, da, da. Holy fuck. Nick, can you see where I'm going now? Oh, Lord, that is cool, though. Oh, man. Touch indicator? How do you... I don't see no touch indicator. Here. How do you get a touch indicator? I don't know. Oh, well. That's not working. Unless you gotta have a normal sized mouse. Kinda like two. It's supposed to have a touch indicator. Oh, that might be, yeah, never mind. That's for finger touch indicator. Mouse. You can change your mouse button speeds. That's cool. Mouse pointer. And too bad you couldn't download custom mouse sizes. Oh, that's the smallest. This one up here might be standard size, which is a 2. Okay. We're gonna stay with green. Just because I think it's cool. Text cursor. You can change the text cursor. It'll look like that. Oh, that is freaking awesome, dude. I like that. Text cursor indicator? I don't know what those are, but I like it. Changes to your text. Thickness. Eh, I don't care about that. Alright. So now I got green mousey narrator, contrast, magnifier, options, audio. Flash my screen during audio notifications? No. Audio themes, that's pretty good stuff. Captions. Captions. I was gonna say off, but I don't have an off option. Alright, well, that's fine. Accessibility. Speech, keyboard, mouse, eye control, which I don't have an eye tracker. That is cool. Time and date. Eastern, that's all correct. Just additional clocks? Wow. Cool. I want to add. I think it's what time is? Oh, poop. Figure out what Denver's time zone is. TM6 Mountain Time. Mountain Time. So, where is it? MT. Well, no. This one actually be Eastern. I want it to stay right. So this, whoop, wrong one. Eastern time. And I want this one to be Mountain Time. Is it showing up that stuff? Oh, right there. Okay, that's kind of cool. So that's where that is. Now I can go Eastern Time, Mountain Time. Two hours behind, which is cool. Oh yeah, because I'm after midnight. They're not yet. Technically, they're still on the 14th. Yeah, it's kind of funny. But that's where the two times are. That's kind of cool. Show additional calendars. Ooh, just what's the other calendar? Oh, that screwed up a little bit. It has to add some Chinese, and I can't switch anything. Used to. Oh, that would be through here. I don't know why that says that. Oh, whoa, where'd it go? You can swipe it away. Interesting. If I go this way. Oh, no, it's just a swipe away. This is based for like a touch system, so that makes sense. If I don't show, gets rid of the Chinese there. Huh. Simplified Chinese or traditional Chinese. We're gonna put traditional. Think now. Do. Besides, add some Chinese text. I don't know. We're gonna leave it up for a little while. I think it looks cool. I don't know. I got both of my time zones in there, which is kind of cool. Eastern and Mountain. Shows will always stay up there. Just the order will get switched at the later date. Doit. Alright, time and language. Typing. Autocorrect. Was it multi-language support? Typing insights. Yeah. Interesting. Oh, I'll need that. My typing sucks ass. I'll be a first to admit it. That's that stuff. Interesting. Graphics. Yeah, this is just for apps and the games and stuff. General. Yeah, that one has to stay on. I think, right? No, it doesn't. That tells me I don't have to have that on. Because I want to only have on as much as I only need. Speech is off. Typing is off. Shouldn't have any there either. Diagnostic and feedback, that has to stay on. Activity history. Show somebody something. I really do hate this headset deactivates. I don't want to provide any stuff like that. No, I I don't want to let any of that, all the privacy stuff, I'm going to have off as much as possible. That they'll allow me to, that won't let me, um, or something new. I don't know what any of that is, so I'm not going to mess with it. I'm not going to mess with any of it. If it indexes stuff, that might be what was slowing the system down too, maybe? Not sure. Down. Let me actually turn off my background lights in here so get a better picture. Hi, pretty kitty. Okay. Oh, I should be such an ass. All right. Doesn't like to go away as easily. Start menu now. Why does that pop up there? Because that's where it sits. No, it's not there. Okay. Ah, my face is so itchy. Sorry about thing. I got might eventually shave here. Uh, oh, open in terminals quicker. Personalize real quick. I want to colors again. Okay, so the accent color to taskbar. That's kind of cool. That's a little weird. I'm not even up there, and it acts like I am. But that's a little bit of a glitch. Damn it. Uh, oh, mouse cursor. Oh no. I don't know how I changed the mouse color. Damn it. Um, was accessibility. Yeah, mouse. Okay, right there. That's fucking weird. Oh man. I don't know. Ooh, God, you can see the polling rate's good though. All right. I kind of like personally like the green the best, but I wanted to take a picture. All right. What else would I feel like doing? Feel like playing a game for now? Really should try to download that. See how long it's gonna take. Sinuses have been dripping all day. Like 20 minutes. I'm not going to sit here and make you guys wait for 20 minutes. I will wait until I'm done. Download that at some point, and then I'll try a little bit of Grand Theft Auto, see how it works. See if there's any issues with having a green cursor. Might be a bunch of updates for this too. I didn't even think about that. I haven't ran it in a while. It's like, no, you can't do that, you moron. I wonder if Elgato's software would even work better on Windows 11, maybe. Gonna try going online real quick. Oh, fuck. I don't think I left it on my desktop. Okay, so it's not obviously not on that one. We'll just play like normal for a few, but I'll go into a... Once I get in, I'll go into a different session or whatever. Unfortunately, I don't have the menu computer right now. Oh, hang on. Well, something not working quite right here. HyperX, that should be fine. HyperX, okay. Why, oh why am I not getting any audio? I am not getting any fucking audio. Huh. Oh, there it goes. Oh, that's not what I chose, but whatever. This seems to be even running better too.
Hello.
I gotta keep an eye on my money, make sure someone doesn't start stealing any. It seems like Grand Theft Auto 5 runs better.
You do not mess with me! Chase him home! Eat shit, bastard! Dickhead!
Oh, you think you're gonna go in that way, huh?
Coming for you! Say goodnight! Incoming! Amalekam! Dickhead!
I'm being an ass.
No, not!
he's 11. All right.
Dickhead! Take cover!
I didn't realize he was that low. I'll let him come back in.
I'm gonna drop you! Bastard! Don't give him the opportunity! Hold Chopper! You do not mess with me! Chase him home!
I'm done.
Eat shit, bastard!
All right.
Hold Chopper!
All right, we're done.
Dickhead!
Now I feel bad because he was 11. uh, um, I'll be right back. Alright, I am back. We're gonna put these on the floor for now. Okay. We're gonna test another game for a little bit, but I think I'm gonna name it a different video because I want to do a little bit of gaming, and I might as well make a second video and have it called Gaming on Windows 11 Developer. I love these things.